Hello everyone! In this tutorial, I will guide you through creating a seamless looping video using CapCut on PC. Let's use this video as an example. Duplicate the footage and move the duplicate above the original, positioning it about 3 seconds before the end of the bottom clip. Select the top footage, go to Video, then Basic, and set the opacity to 0. Add an opacity keyframe at the beginning of the clip. Move the playhead to 1 frame before the end of the bottom clip, and set the opacity back to 100. This process ensures a smooth transition between the two videos. Next, turn off the main track. Select the bottom footage about 3 seconds from the beginning. Split it and take the first part to the end. Repeat the opacity adjustment process for this part as well. Select all, right-click, and create a compound clip to merge all the footage into one. Duplicating this compound clip will result in a seamless transition without any visible jumps or cuts. To expedite the process, select all, right-click, create a compound clip. Duplicate it and repeat the duplication as necessary. This method allows you to create lengthy videos in just a matter of seconds. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. Thank you for watching.